Namaskar students, this is Professor Eshlal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per our session, today we have to discuss about multivariable optimization problem. As you know that in optimization technique, as per the nature of the work, as per the nature of the assignment, as per the nature of the task given to you, the nature of problem also changes. Some of the problems may be easily plotted in the form of a single variable, whereas some others may be in the form of more than one variable. Means it is not possible to say anything with the help of a single variable. Means only one factor is not going to guide the final result. There are more than one factors on which the outcomes of a result is depending on. So in that circumstance, how to optimize a problem? By choosing more than one variable. And which problem should be taken as multivariable optimization problem? It is a matter of concern and it should be discussed with you, because the regular problems that may come arise in your industry, the other social segment that need to be formulated and that needs to be sorted out. To make this topic more feasible in the sense of understanding, let me permit to share with courtesy a PDF that has been prepared by IIT Guwahati under the NPTEL scheme of Government of India. That what is multivariable optimization problem. This is multivariable optimization without constants, minimize effects, where X is a matrix like this, X1, X2, X3 up to Xn. Necessary condition for optimality: if fx has an extreme point at x is equal to x star, if the first partial derivative of fx exists at the set point x is equal to x star, then the partial derivative of the function at this point with respect to first variable is equal to the partial derivative of the function at this point with respect to second derivative, and the partial differentiation of the function at this point with respect to the next variable are separately is equal to 0. This is the necessary condition for optimality. Now, sufficient condition for optimality is that the sufficient condition for a stationary point x star, as we have discussed, to be extreme point is that the matrix of second partial derivative of fx evaluated at x star is positive definite when x star is relative minimum, negative definite when x star is negative relative minimum, neither positive nor negative definite when x star is neither a minimum nor a maximum. And if you need the proof, then you can use Taylor's series for two variables with the help of that very series, taking this function. This is the Taylor series, and this may be written in the form of matrix as. So students, in this multivariable optimization problem, there is line search technique, there is EMI model and quality principle, optimal solutions. Here are some keys that may be asked to you, means MCQ. An interval halving method, that is famous one, is also a concept of multivariable optimization problem. I hope you have listened the name, the golden search method. The golden search method or golden ratio is also here given. I hope you have enjoyed this topic. This digital session 2.0 is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In case of any doubt, you should write your comment in the comment box. I promise I will resolve that. Thank you for listening me and enjoying this lecture. Thanks a lot.